In this video lesson, we're going to learn how to do the Bauer Kirby method of antibiotic susceptibility testing. For that method, we use a standard size auger and plate called Mueller-Hinton auger, and these are the large 150 millimeter plates that will hold 12 different antibiotic discs. So the first thing we have to do is inoculate the Mueller-Hinton auger with the organism we're testing. Now in this case, this is one of the bacteria we're using in today's lab, Enterococcus faecalis. So we're going to be using a swab for this. We're going to remove the inoculum by flaming the tube, putting a swab in. Then we're going to wring the swab out against the inside of the tube to get rid of excess liquid. Flame the tube and replace the cap. Now we're ready to streak the plate. Now we divided our plates into thirds, as you'll see in the illustration in your lab manual to help guide our streaking. And we're going to streak perpendicular to each line, going all the way to the edge of the plate and overlapping the lines, working our way down to the center. So we lift the lid, and we're going to go perpendicular to this line. Notice I'm going all the way to the edge of the plate, and I'm overlapping the lines till I hit the center of the plate. Now we're going to rotate the plate and streak perpendicular to this line. Again, all the way to the edge and all the way to the center. Use the same swab. You don't have to dip it in again. So again, all the way to the edge, overlapping the lines. Till we hit the center. And finally rotate it to the last line and streak perpendicular to that line. All the way to the edge of the plate. And all the way down to the center. And now we've inoculated the plate so that the whole plate will show solid bacterial growth next time. Of course, when we're done with the swabs, they're going to go in the biohazard container. Now we're ready to put on the antibiotic discs. Now since this is Enterococcus faecalis, a gram-positive bacterium, we're going to use the antibiotic disc dispenser that contains antibiotics, often useful against gram-positive bacteria. You see that the lid is labeled gram-positive. So very simple to put on the antibiotic discs. We remove the disc dispenser. It also says gram-positive on the handle. And we're going to take the lid off of the plate. Put the antibiotic disc dispenser down over the plate and push down firmly on the handle. And as you see, that dispenses the 12 antibiotic discs, and it also tamps them so they won't fall off when we turn the plate upside down and incubate at 37 degrees Celsius.